Hello, welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to use Invideo AI. Invideo AI helps you to generate video content from ideas instantly. To use Invideo, you simply go to ai.invideo.io and that link is available in the description of this video. To join, you simply put your email here and then you click on create account. You'll receive a code in your account and you use that code as your password. That will bring you here, and this is the user interface for InVideo. Now, to generate a video, you simply come to the top here. You notice we have a place to type here. We have the workflow on this side, and then on the left hand side at the top, if you click up here, you notice we have home and we have the media library. Now, if you want to generate a video using InVideo AI, you simply come here and give a topic and detailed instructions. For instance, I want to generate a video about wild animals, about the big 5 animals in Africa. So I'll type here, generate a video about the top 5 big animals in Africa. So that is just a statement. We can further give instructions on what we need or what we want to avoid. So, but with this one, if you want it to generate as close as possible the video that you need, give further instructions. Generate a video about the top big animals in Africa. Then we can give further instruction. Each scene should be less than 1 minute. And then at the top here, where you see select workflow, you click on that arrow. You notice we have YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent events videos, or script to video. So we want to generate a video here. If I click on YouTube Explainer or YouTube Shorts, that way, you notice here, YouTube Explainer, you can create a prompt that will help generate a script for you. So create a, then if I click on that, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and all that. So I can choose the duration of my video. So I want a video that is 2 minutes long. So I'll click on 2 minutes. Give me an engaging topic and things that we should look at, about, or not talk about. So I want this to be about the top 5 big animals in Africa. Then if I want to avoid certain things, I can simply type there maybe avoid violent scenes. If maybe I also want to avoid hunting scenes, I can also add that. Then this is optional, creation directions. Make this video your own by adding detailed creative thoughts and ideas like tone, humor, etc. So I want the first scene to start with elephant, with an elephant and a joke. So I type that, start the first scene with an elephant and a joke. And then down here, make background music. So I can select the background music here. Then for settings here, I can choose the gender, the voice, and then the watermark that I'll need on my video. So for the gender, I want male. Voice, I can select any voice, clear American voice, voice with a Californian accent, or voice with Southern accent, or any other of these. If I scroll down, you notice we have all this. So I want a voice, clear American voice. So I'll click on that. Then the watermark to use here, I just want it to be Joe Production. Then number 3 here, use iStock normally. You can select here, don't use iStock, use fewer iStock media, use iStock normally, prefer using iStock when can, only use iStock. So you can select any of this. So I want it to use iStock normally or use fewer iStock media. Remember, these ones will come with a watermark. So I want it to use fewer iStock media. And then now after you have set all that, you can also decide the tone here. You can add that, let the tone be informational and all that. Then you click on continue. Then you notice now here, it brings us back here. Create a 2 minutes YouTube video, top 5 big animals in Africa, avoid violent scenes, start the first scene with an elephant and a joke. You notice it's back here now. Then we can now click on generate a video. You notice now it is analyzing. So you give it time. So this is our prompt at the top. It's now doing the analysis. and then the analysis is complete. Now it's doing the thinking. You notice still thinking, the notification here. The title will be Top 5 Giants of Africa, A Gentle Journey. So you notice it's generating all that, even the title. Then it brings me here where you can choose the audience. Is it nature lovers, animal enthusiasts, or educational? So I want animal lovers. Then the look and feel. Do you want it to be bright? Do you want it to be inspiring? Do you want it to be clean? I want it to be bright, so I'll click on bright. The platform, where do you want to use this one? I want to use it on YouTube, for instance. I click on YouTube. If I want to edit the prompt that I had maybe at this stage, I can click on edit prompt and it will take me back to the prompt that I had. But in this case, I just want to click on continue. So, and then you give it time. And after some time, our video is ready. So you notice our video is here. It's around 2 minutes. Remember, I gave instructions that the video should not be longer. Each scene should not be longer than 1 minute. So let's play the video and hear how it sounds.
Why don't elephants use computers? Because they are afraid of the mouse. Now let's talk about these majestic giants. Elephant.
So you notice that's our video, and you notice even it started with a joke, just like we had said. So if you want to export the video as it is, you will click on export and then you click on export video. If you want to change a scene, you can give a prompt here, a command to just edit what you want to edit in the video. For instance, if maybe I don't want this picture in the first scene, I can give a command here like delete the first picture from the first scene, or use a different media for the first scene. Then after that, writing that prompt, I'll click on generate and then I'll give it time again to load, and then my video will be loaded. So if I want to export this video, you notice here we have these settings. We have 240p up to 1080p. So I can click here on export and then click on export video. Then I can now select the one that I want here. Is it 720? Is it 480? Is it 1080p? So I'll select 720, and then the stock watermarks, you select the type of watermarks. So with the paid version, that is the only time you can use no watermarks. But with the free version, you have to use the stock watermarks. Then select the Invideo AI branding. You can use normal with the free plan, but the subtle and the none, you can use those two with the paid plan. So I'll click on normal, and then Invideo will just download my video. You click on download there. If you want to edit part of the video, you can click on edit here. And once you click on that, it gives you either the scenes that you can edit, be it the pictures. And you notice once you click on the picture, it also highlights the script where you can also edit. For instance, you notice if I click on the first scene here, you notice the highlight is on the script here. Why don't elephants use computers? Because they are afraid of the mouse. This is the joke that we gave from the prompt. So maybe we want, now let's talk about these majestic giants. So maybe I want to change the word giants to something else. I simply click on that and then I edit that part. So that's how you can edit scene by scene. And in case you want to upload your own media, maybe for a certain part, you can click on upload here, and then you upload your own media from your library. After you have made these changes, you click on apply so that you can save the new scenes. So that is simply how you use Invideo to create videos from prompts. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.